Welcome to TRP Today.
Today we are going over the TRP Tire Inflator Kit.
TRP offers a convenient tire inflator kit that connects directly to the truck's air brake system with the included universal grab hand. That means this kit can be used anytime, anywhere.
It can be a real lifesaver if you ever find yourself on a stretch of highway with no service station around for miles.
The kit comes complete with a dual air check. Plus, with a 3/8-inch inner diameter and a length of 50 feet, the 300 PSI air hose reaches all tires. That way, you don't have to be at an air pump to check and inflate your tires.
I can see how this kit could truly give someone real peace of mind.
I agree. And of course, don't forget to check out related parts such as tires and hoses.
That's all for TRP today.
We'll see you next time.
For more information on TRP parts and ordering,
Please visit trpparts.com.